you're still watching MX24. Time to update you on the world of sports. We start here from the local scene, and Dreams FC coach Rafael Nadal has expressed satisfaction with the fitness level of his players after their first group training since the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, they still believe sides started their preseason training yesterday ahead of the 2021 Ghana Premier League season, which starts on November 13.
I never expect to see what I saw in terms of their physical fitness and their technique and sharpness. I mean, I'm impressed, but as the day rolls on, we will take it over from there. But the turnout was good, and I'm happy. It's good, but they need time to gel with the old players. It appears the old players are used to our philosophy and ideas, but as we move along, I believe they will adapt, and we will get a very solid team.
And that was Dreams FC manager Winfred Dorman. Well, away from the locals, in ex-Barcelona and AC Milan midfielder Kevin Prince Boateng has joined Italian Serie B side Monza from Fiorentina. Now, the 33-year-old has signed a deal until June next year with the option of extending his contract for another year. Now, Boateng, who also counts Tottenham, Portsmouth and Schalke among his former clubs, will be reunited with former AC Milan owner Silvio Berlusconi at Monza. And still staying in Europe and the English Premier League, of course. Yesterday, the defending champions Liverpool were in action. They played host to Arsenal in matchday 3 top line. And Liverpool came top after Arsenal scored first. They won that game by 3-1. So Sadio Mane, Robertson and new boy Diego Jota were the goal scorers as Liverpool beat Arsenal 3-1 at Anfield. The other game that was played yesterday was Aston Villa. They went away to play against Fulham and they won that game comfortably. 3-0. Aston Villa now stands at playing 8 games, and in all those 8 games, they haven't lost. Well, good record for them. We'll see if they'll be able to hold on to that. But remember tonight, there is one game, not an English Premier League game, it's a Carabao Cup game, a top game, of course, and it's going to be a London derby, Tottenham Hotspur up against Chelsea. Well, away from football, let's do some tennis. And Serena Williams began a quest for a 24th Grand Slam singles title with a hard-fought win over Kristie in the French Open first round. Now, Sydney Williams, who turned 39 on Saturday, overcame a rusty start to beat her fellow American 7-6, 7-3, 6-love. All right, Serena Williams through to the next one. And of course, we still stay with the Roland Garros, also known as the French Open, and Spain's 12-time champion Rafael Nadal encountered few problems as he started the championship with a 3-set win over Belarusian Egor Gerasimov. Now, the 37-year-old wrapped up a 6-4, 6-4, 6-2 victory in 2 hours, 5 minutes against the world number 83, who was making his main draw debut in Paris. And there'll be regular updates on the Roland Garros here on MX24 for you every day. So do stay tuned here on MX24. On that note, we end sports with me, Benedict. Thanks so much for watching.